Hi, I'm Jess from Great Ocean Properties. A walking distance from here, the Anglesea River, is an elevated coastal home, 25 Chatswood Drive in Anglesea. Come with me now, let's take a look. This is the ideal Anglesea beach house. While being central, the house is also quiet and private with a relaxed holiday feel. This very smart and immaculate two-storey, three-bedroom home, with its generous use of space, makes this an impressive low-maintenance home ideal for the family or is an excellent coastal investment. The only thing left to do is to move in. If you're wanting to live in a small community and you're wanting a healthy lifestyle, then this is the property for you. Please feel welcome to contact myself, Jess Nelson, or the Anglesea sales team for more information.